Hi, I'm Sridevi, MCom LLB from Hyderabad. I actually met with an accident in 2021 May where I had multiple muscle tears to my left shoulder and I was not able to move my hand at all. With the support of right hand only I was able to move my hand. I was unable to even chop the vegetables. I was not able to sleep on the bed because when I lay down my shoulders were going back and I was in terrible pain and I could not do anything. I was dependent totally on my family and I was almost like handicapped. And because of this inflammation, I had a high blood sugar levels which boosted up to almost 500 plus. And due to which I had my eyes problems, legs, nervous system, everything was getting affected. And I was in very bad shape. When I went to the doctors told me that you have multiple muscle tears and you have to undergo surgery. Otherwise, because of this sugar levels, your organs might also get damaged. But there was a small hope given by one of the doctors that physiotherapy might cure it. So I almost spent 2 lakh rupees on physiotherapy, and when I stopped going for the treatment, within 10 days the pain came back to its original shape. And I was at terrible pain and hence I decided to go for the surgery. But maybe I was lucky. Because of my sugar levels, the doctors told that they are not going to do the surgery unless it comes under control. And they wanted me to come back after 3 months and getting the sugar under control. So after when I went back, I was lucky to get introduced to this eye care product, whereby they told me that you use this and you will become normal. I didn't have any belief in that, but I thought that at least if I get 5% relief, it will help me out, and so I decided anyway I have to wait for 3 months, so why not I try this product. And to my surprise, within 5 days my hands started moving, and within a span of 20 days I was able to hold the things and chop the vegetables. Where I was not able to lift the mobile phone, I was able to hold and cut the vegetables, which means it gave me a big relief. And within 3 months my hand movement came up so that I was able to move my hand very normally. But because the doctors told me to go back, I went and I met the doctors, and to their surprise, when they asked me to move my hands front and back and they saw such a relief, they decided and they told me that I might not require any surgery and continue with the same treatment what I am undergoing. So after 4 months, almost 90% of my pain got relieved, and because of the eye coffee which I was using, my sugar levels also came under control and I became very energetic and active. So I would like to thank Indus Viva on behalf of the entire society who got benefited for manufacturing, producing such wonderful products. And I also want to thank the people who have given me this product, introduced me to this product, and I keep telling to everybody that before going for surgeries, do use this product because it will definitely give the relief, and 100% you will not require any kind of a surgery. I would like to take this opportunity to thank one and all who have helped me come out of this pain without surgery. Thank you very much.